Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out the onboard travel option on the Tube Map application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, go to your homepage and then type in the name of the station that you are looking for into the search bar that you can find at the top of the screen. So tap on it and type it in, or you can also choose from the recommendations here organized into alphabetical order. So tap on the relevant one that you are interested in, and down below you can find this onboard travel option. So click on it and here you can find three options: walking, by bus or by train. Click on the relevant one and you will be directed to your Maps application, where you will be able to check out the route to your selected destination, but you can also find it here at the top of the screen. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.